Standard 3rd, Looking Around, Environment, Lesson number 3, Water, oh, Water. A very rainy, watery good morning to all of you, my dear students. How are you all? Are you getting wet in the rain? भीग रहे हो बारिश में आप लोग? हर जगह पे पानी पानी दिख रहा है ड्यू टू द रेनफॉल? Yes? Well, this is our lesson of water. We have to study here the lesson of water. From where does the water comes? What are the uses of water? In which activities we use the water? Can we live without water? And which activities not need water? So all these things we will study in this lesson. So children, first of all, here there is a very nice poem, as you can see on page number 20. Now let us read the poem. But children, as we always do, you all are having pencil in your hands. है ना सबके पास pencils? Okay, if not, then please go and get it. Okay, now this chapter is of water. First of all, we will read the poem and then I'll explain you. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Don't waste water. That means पानी को हमें ज़ाया नहीं करने का है. We have not to waste water. Water is very valuable. Water is life. Water is precious. Tip, tip, tip. Oh, the water falls, overflowing the rivers, lakes and ponds. Waves of ocean gallop like a horse. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Taking form of icebergs on hilltops, boil it, heat it, turns into vapor. Keeping singing the song of springs, water is life, water is precious. Giving life to crops, plants and trees, running in human body, nourishing animals and birds, water is life, water is precious. During drought, there is stress. Life seems to be in pain. During floods, there is threat and fright. Ah, well, tap a hand pump filled with water. Water is life, water is precious. So children, here is a very beautiful poem describing the water. Now, what is said in this poem? Let us see. Here in the first 4 lines, in first 4 line, it is described that we have not to waste the water. Water is our life. Water is very precious. Overflowing the rivers, lakes and ponds. Tip, tip, tip. That means drop by drop, water is filled in rivers, lakes and ponds by the rain. Now comes the second para. Waves of ocean gallop like a horse. Waves of ocean. Children, have you been to our Tithal beach? Yes. There you can see the sea, Arabian Sea. And you can even see the tides galloping like a horse. Horse galloping like that means the रनिंग ऑफ अ हॉर्स. जितनी तेज़ी से ये घोड़ा दौड़ता है ना, हॉर्स दौड़ता है ना, उतनी तेज़ी से यू कैन सी द टाइड्स एट अवर तीथल बीच ऑफ द सी. डोंट वेस्ट वाटर. वाटर इज प्रेशियस. टेकिंग फॉर्म ऑफ आइसबर्ग्स ऑन हिल टॉप्स. यस चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज द आइसबर्ग? आइसबर्ग दैट आर द माउंटेन्स ऑफ आइस. आइस के जो माउंटेन होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं आइसबर्ग्स. Boil it, heat it, turns it into vapors. So children, this iceberg, due to the heat of the sun, it becomes hot and then it is turned into vapor. Keeping singing the song of springs, water is life, water is precious. Now children, these icebergs, with the help of the heat, with the help of sunlight, it is heated, it turns into vapor, goes up in the sky, forms clouds, and when this vapor in the clouds, when these clouds condense, when these clouds cools down, जब ये clouds ठंडे हो जाते हैं, this clouds comes down, this vapor comes down in the form of water which we call it rain. ये जो वेपर है जो ऊपर जाते हैं फिर बादल बन जाते हैं, और ये जब बादल ठंडे होते हैं और बादल जब ठंडे पड़ जाते हैं, एंड दिस वेपर कम्स अगेन डाउन, वही वेपर वही भाप हमें वापस नीचे मिलती है, विच इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर, पानी के रूप में वही हमें वापस मिल जाती है। क्या मिल जाता है वापस? दिस वाटर वेपर विच वी कॉल इट रेन, उसको हम बोलते हैं बारिश। Keeping singing the song of springs, water is life, water is precious. Giving life to crops, plants and trees, running in human body, nourishing animals and birds. Well children, what does the water do? Water gives life to crops. Crops, that means the crops that we grow in the field. Even it gives life to plants and trees. Even we human beings, water is running in our human body, nourishing animals and birds. So children, here in these two lines it is said that each and every living beings needs water to live. बच्चों, अगर आप पानी नहीं पियोगे, will you be able to live? Will you be able to survive? अच्छा, ऐसे करके देखना, आप लोग 1 घंटे पानी पिए बिना अगर रह सकते हो, क्या रह सकते हो आप पानी पिए बिना? नहीं रह सकते ना. दैट मीन्स वाटर इज वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर आवर बॉडी. इन द सेम मैनर the crops that are in the fields, the plants, the trees, animals and birds, each and every living creature needs water to live. So water is life, water is precious. During drought there is stress. Well children, drought, that means when there is no rainfall, there is stress. Stress, that is tension. Life seems to be in pain. सबको बहुत पानी के बिना सबको बहुत दिक्कतें आती है. ड्यूरिंग फ्लड्स देयर इज थ्रेट एंड फ्राइट. नाउ ऑपोजिट टू दिस ड्रॉट इज द फ्लड. ड्रॉट इज अ कंडीशन व्हेन देयर इज नो रेनफॉल, while the flood is a condition where there is excessive of rain is there. That means बहुत सारी बारिश होती है, खूब सारी बारिश होती है, that is known as floods. और बिल्कुल भी बारिश नहीं होती, that is known as drought. Now during floods there is threat and fright. Well, tap or hand pump filled with water. Water is life. So children, टैप, दैट इज़ जो हमारे घर में नल होता है, वो हैंड पंप, दैट इज़ क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हैंड पंप जो होता है ना, वो हम निकालते हैं अपने हाथों से विद द हेल्प ऑफ अवर हैंड वी फेच वाटर, दैट इज़ नोन एज हैंड पंप. वाटर इज़ लाइफ, वाटर इज़ precious. So children, this was the poem of about water, and we have to value the water because water is our very precious property. Water is life, water is very important for us. If water is not there, we will also be not there. So we have to save water. If we will save water, water will save us. Well children, the source from where we get water are, हमको कहाँ से पानी मिलता है? चिल्ड्रन, आपके घर में जो पानी आता है नल में, वो एक्चुअली कहाँ से आता है? मे बी वी गेट फ्रॉम दिस वाटर फ्रॉम रिवर्स, लेक्स एंड पॉन्ड्स, द वाटरफॉल्स. इन ये जो सब है ये सारे पानी के सोर्स है. अब चिल्ड्रन, रिवर्स, लेक्स, पॉन्ड्स, वाटरफॉल्स, इनमें पानी कहाँ से आता है? वेल, रेन इज द मेन सोर्स. जो बारिश होती है, बारिश जहाँ जहाँ पे गिरती है, दिस रिवर्स, लेक्स एंड पॉन्ड्स, वाटरफॉल्स कलेक्ट्स द वाटर, राइट? नाउ this they are known as source of water. Well children, do you know where water is used? Well, water is used used for drinking, cooking. Yes, can you say me? When you get up in the morning, what do? You brush your teeth. That means water is needed for brushing. After then, bathing, washing clothes and utensils, cleaning the house, farming, है ना? So there are so many uses of water. Now children, there are so many activities that are used with the help of water, but some activities are also there that in which water is not needed. Well, children, do you know water is helpful for going from one place to another also? एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाना हो हमें तो भी हमें ये पानी काम आ सकता है. हाउ? कैन एनीबडी टेल? यस, waterways, that is through boat, steamer, है ना? इफ और आप लोग जानते हो, ये देखो इसमें लिखा है हमारी पोयम में, रनिंग इन ह्यूमन बॉडी नरिशिंग एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स. ह्यूमन बॉडी दैट मीन्स वी, हम लोग जो है वी आर नोन एज ह्यूमन बींग्स. हमारी बॉडी में भी पानी है, जो खून दौड़ता है हमारी बॉडी में अलॉन्ग विद द ब्लड. वाटर इज ऑल्सो रनिंग इन अवर बॉडी. इफ वी विल नॉट गेट सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, हमें अगर सही अमाउंट में पानी हमारी बॉडी में नहीं जाएगा, देन वी सडनली suddenly the amount of water in our body decrease. That decreased amount of water in our body is known as dehydration. And dear children, one can lose consciousness also because of this dehydration condition. Yes, अब जानते हो आप कॉन्शियसनेस क्या होता है? ये जो बेहोश हो जाता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं अनकॉन्शियसनेस. तो अगर हम लोग हमारी बॉडी में से पानी कम हो जाता है, देन वी विल सफर फ्रॉम अनकॉन्शियसनेस, वी विल लूज अवर कॉन्शियसनेस. ओके, एम आई क्लियर? that means we have to save water, and water will save our life. Am I clear, everybody? Well, this beautiful poem is written by Raju Kag Mial, and it is actually paraphrased from Gujarati. So now we'll turn on to page number 21. Do you know any poem or song on water? Recite it in the class. Well, children, do you know any poem or any song? Yes, you can ask your parents. If they know any song about this water or any poem about the water, you can recite the same with your parents. What are the different kinds of effects of water mentioned in the poem that I explained you? Now think and write. Tick the activities for which water is needed. Yes, children, here we have to tick mark in which activities the water is needed. First of all, it is to play. Water is needed for playing? No. To write? You are having pencil in your hand, everybody, aren't you? हाँ, तो अभी उसमें चाहिए पानी. अभी आप लोगों को टिक मार्क करना है हमारी इस टेक्स्ट बुक में. देन विल यू नीड वाटर? नो. टू रन अ फैन? अच्छा, अभी सपोजिंग यू आर फीलिंग वेरी हॉट एंड यू वांट टू स्विच ऑन द फैन, देन विल द वाटर बी नीडेड? नो. टू सिंग? You are feeling like to sing a song, then water is needed for that activity? No. Then comes to make tea. चाय बनानी है. Water is needed? Yes. So you have to tick mark here. It is shown here. Here it is shown to make tea. You have to tick mark. The next one is to paint the pictures. Again, water is needed in this activity. And now comes to row a boat. बोट चलानी है तो उसमें पानी चाहिए होगा. Yes. Again, to need duff. Yes. To grow plants. Yes. Well, children, to need dough or duff. That means जो आटा हम लोग गूंथते हैं जिसमें पानी मिला के, जिसकी चपाती, पराठा, पूरी वगैरह आप लोग खाते हो, वो जिस आटे से बनता है उसमें पानी मिला के उसका उसका हम लोग बनाते हैं डो या डो और डफ. So water is needed in these activities. Now coming on to next point. Think and write. What can you do without water? Well, children, which activities can be performed without water? Well, you can sing, play, dance, study without water, right? एंड वट यू कैन नॉट डू विदाउट वाटर? ऐसी कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जिसके लिए पानी बहुत ज़रूरी है? देन कुकिंग, दैट मीन्स टू कुक अवर फूड, खाना बनाने में. प्लांटिंग, दैट मीन्स प्लांटिंग द trees, planting the plants, washing and bathing and brushing. So इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज है जिसमें हमें पानी कंपलसरी चाहिए होता है. Now comes water. More or less, arrange the following on the basis of the amount of water that is needed for each of the activities. Begin with the activity that needs the most water. So children, here some activities are given. The first one is, here is the first one: to bath, to drink, to clean the house, to water the fields, to knead the dough, to cook the food. Now children, what you have to do is, you have to give numbers to these activities in which the most water is used. सबसे पहले उस एक्टिविटी को हमें फर्स्ट नंबर देना है जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा पानी यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग, राइट. तो अभी इसमें देखो, द फर्स्ट वन इज़ टू बाथ, उसमें ज़्यादा पानी होता है. वेल, लेट अस सी. सेकेंड वन इज़ टू ड्रिंक. थर्ड वन इज़ टू क्लीन द हाउस. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ टू वाटर द फील्ड्स. Another one is to knead the dough, and the last one is to cook the food. So children, here the maximum water is used to water the fields. So here it is. Here give number 1 to this water the fields. Now next comes to drink. That is the second one. Another one is to bath, and the fourth number is to cook the food. Well, to clean the house is number 5, and last one is to knead the dough. Am I clear, everybody? Yes. So now the most water is used in watering the fields. Then after we use for drinking. After then bathing, then cooking the food, then cleaning the house, and last one is kneading of the dough. So the less amount, सबसे कम अमाउंट वाटर का कहाँ चाहिए होता है हमें? आटा गूंदने में. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ विल टर्न ऑन टू पेज नंबर 22. Here children, water from where? In the poem, you read about rivers, waterfalls, lakes and springs. We get water from all these places. From where do you get water? Put a round around those places that are either near your house or around it. Well children, आपके घर में जो नल में पानी आता है, वो पानी कहाँ से आता है? We have to circle this thing. Now, ऐसी जगह पे सर्कल करना है जो आपके घर, आप लोगों के घर के आसपास में हो. आपके घर में हो, या तो मे बी अराउंड योर हाउस और मे बी इन योर हाउस. सो फर्स्ट वन इज लेक. वेल, दैट इज कुआ. यस, यू हैव टू सर्कल इट वन. देन कम्स द ट्यूबवेल दैट इज बोरिंग. देन कम्स वाटरफॉल तो नहीं है हमारे घर के आसपास में. देन कम्स हैंड पाइप. यस, many might be having hand pipe near their house or in their home also. Next one is river. No, this is not done. Stream नहीं है. Tap that is नल, वो तो हमारे सबके घर पे होता है ना. Next one is tank. टांकी जो होती है ना हमारे घर में, in which we store the water. Yes. sea. sea होता है क्या हमारे घर में? दरिया होता है हमारे घर में, समुद्र होता है मेरे घर पे तो नहीं है. नो, सी हमारे किसी के भी घर में नहीं होता है. सो यू हैव नॉट टू सर्कल इट. एंड हॉट वाटर स्प्रिंग इज ऑल्सो नॉट देयर इन अवर होम्स. नाउ think and write. Have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Where? Well children, all these questions, that's first, second and third, are given in our workbook and we will answer it in our workbook. Here the first question is saying that have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? कभी आप लोगों ने देखा है ग्राउंड में से गर्म पानी आता हुआ? Yes. यहाँ पे जो near नवसारी there is a village named there is a place named Unai. From there there are hot water springs over there. Does any river flow across your village or city? If yes, write its name. Yes children, as you all know, The name of our city is Valsad and Auranga river flows through it. Do you know the names of any rivers? Write their names. Yes, children. Do you know the names of any rivers? Yes. Auranga, Tapi, Ganga, Narmada, Ambika, Par, many more. Right? So we will write all these answers, all these three answers in our workbook. Now children, here are some questions. Let us answer it. At home, where do you get drinking water from? कहाँ से मिलता है आपको? From tap. Where do you go to fetch water? आप कहीं जाते हो पानी भरने या आपके घर में अवेलेबल है? You have to think or you have to ask your mother or father and then tell how much time does it take to bring the water? How do we need to store? Why do we need to store water? Well children, why do we need to store water? हमें पानी क्यों भर के रखना चाहिए? क्यों भरते हैं हम लोग पानी? हाँ, जब आपके घर में कभी पानी आता है तो आप देखा होगा योर मदर मस्ट बी फिलिंग द earthen pots, the metal pots, whatever storing vessels are there in your house, your mother might be filling that with water. Why do we need to store water? Because water in our homes, water in our house are available for a very short time every morning and evening, and so we need to store water so that we can use it. Who fetches and stores water in your house? Well, maybe your mother might be fetching and storing the water in an earthen pot. Well children, earthen pot, that is known as मटका, जो माटी का जो मटका होता है, that is known as earthen pot. Do you and your neighbors bring water from the different places? Why? No, we don't bring water from different places because taps are available in each and everyone's house. Am I right? Okay. So now children, that was about page number 22. Now comes page number 23. Here, yes, there is an activity. You have to fill the color the pictures of those containers which you use for storing water. इनमें से जो भी आप भरते हो पानी भरने के लिए, जिस किसी का भी आप यूज करते हो उस पे आपको कलर करना है. I think we use this bucket, that is baldi, this one, this metal pot, this jug, and I think this one also, that is the earthen pot. है ना बच्चों? ये सारी चीज़ें हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं ना? हाँ. Now, so you have to color these pictures. That will be your homework. In your notebook, draw pictures of any other containers which are used for storing water in your house. Write their names as well. Now take a look at the pictures. If you fill them with water, which will contain the least water? टीचर सॉरी बच्चों, अगर हम इसमें पानी भर लेते हैं तो सबसे कम पानी किस में रहेगा? क्या लगता है आपको बच्चों, किस में रहेगा सबसे कम पानी? मुझे तो शायद ये लगता है, ये हो सकता है. नो, दिस वन, नो, this one, yes, this one will be having the least amount of water. इसमें सबसे कम पानी इसमें रहेगा. किस में रहेगा? इसमें, है ना? the small metal pot which will contain the most water. अच्छा, अभी सबसे ज़्यादा पानी किस में रहेगा? the most water किस में? this one, no, this one, no, this one, the bucket. Yes, in bucket the water will in bucket most of the water will be filled. Now the last question, that is the third one. In which containers same amount of water can be filled? Now as you can see, there are so many containers over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So now dear students, what do you think? There are two containers in which the same amount of water can be filled. I think 5th and 7th, these both containers may contain the same amount of water. This is the metal pot, this is the earthen pot, right? So that was about page number 23. I hope you might be understanding this chapter about water and also be enjoying. So children, for today this much only. We will soon meet next time. We will continue on page number 24 and 25. Till then, take care. Bye bye everybody.